17th, May 16th, and it's really dark at night. I'm hearing these strange noises, and I can't sleep. It's really irritating. I'm gonna get you guys another video without me cursing it. Okay, here I go, folks. It's me, Julia. I'm gonna figure out what the hell was coming from. Hey guys. Maybe if you like this one, I'm doing this in my friend's video. Hi guys. Thanks. Noise are coming from. There's a noise. You hear it? It's coming back. That's what I was talking about earlier. That noise is very loud. I'm serious. I don't know what the hell it is, but it's driving me crazy. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. What is this noise? Oh my god. What the hell is that noise? I seriously don't even know for sure. See, it's been going on for 3 hours already. It's almost 12.